Have you ever made a canvas and let it dry and then realize that you really don't like it? Because I've done that a lot, and this is one of them. It's not terrible, but it's not great. There's a lot of like muddy brown colors that are going through it that I don't like. The red is a little too vibrant, you know, just all the colors are a little bit off, and I want to fix that. So today what we're gonna do is completely change this. We're gonna put new paint on it, completely cover it, and it'll be a brand new canvas. Let's see what the backside looks like. Yeah, everything looks good. It's smooth all the way across. There's no imperfections anywhere, you know, aside from the way it looks. So let's cover this bad boy up. I've got my base color of a little bit of a darker gray. Got some white, black, coral, cashew, blue, and yellow. So first off, what we want to do is take our base color, which is this, and pour it all over the canvas. I've already wiped it off, so there shouldn't be anything on top of it. Now, we just pour. Bye-bye, canvas. Take your palette knife or spatula or whatever and spread the base coat. I'm gonna use white to start out with, then black. I really like coral on top of black. I'm gonna add a little bit more white. This cashew color. White. I'm gonna save a little bit for one more pour. There's not too much of it left. That blue can go with it. Add some white. Turn my canvas around. Add black. I also like black and yellow together. Use the last of my cashew. Whoa, almost dropped that entire cup. That'd have been hilarious. More coral. Let's add white. And then this. Some white. I'm gonna use this where I'm gonna blow with the hairdryer. Actually, use some white too. Should be interesting. All right, so now we have our paint laid down. Let's get the hairdryer and blow it together, and then we're gonna blow it out. And for the hairdryer, I use the cold setting instead of the hot setting. I don't know what the difference is. I just go with the cold. Move these out of the way first so paint doesn't drip in any of them, because some of them still have paint in them. Let's go. Get the paint moving a little bit. These colors are mixing together a lot better than I thought they were going to. When I was laying them down to start out with, I did not like it very much. But now that I'm seeing it, I am happy. Happier. And I'm gonna do my crazy paint across the canvas method. Let's give it a little bit of texture and pop these bubbles. Tempted to run my finger through it again. Right in the middle. Maybe I could take 2 fingers. Should I? Too late. All right, what we're gonna do now is tilt all the corners off, and then we'll see if we want to play around with it anymore. So let's go. I'm gonna start out pretty slow. See what happens to the paint. I don't want it all running, folding over on itself. And it'll happen if you go a little too fast. Let's get some paint on this side. Actually, I think I'm gonna tilt this corner off first. Ooh, a little fast there. I'm gonna tilt this way a little bit. Now, let's go. Now I'm balancing out the paint and trying to make a design that I'm happy with. You can set it down, take a look at it, and see where else you want to go with it. If you need to pour some of it off, pour it off. If you want to leave it on, leave it the way it is. At this point, you're just trying to make something you're happy with. Next, what we want to do is take the canvas, lift it up, and take your fingers and rub the bottom of it. So when you take it over to dry, the paint doesn't drip everywhere. Now let's check our corners. Make sure there's no white anywhere. So next, what we want to do, we're going to take our canvas, put it somewhere safe, let it dry, and then you have wall art. I appreciate you watching, hanging out. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button. It helps me so much, and I appreciate it. If you want some more, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get all the acrylic vibes you want. I appreciate it. See you next time.